Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is David Navarro. Today we're going to be doing a screen printing related video. We're going to be unboxing, and I don't know how much assembly it is to it, besides maybe putting a vacuum hose together or something. But we're going to be unboxing and putting together a Ranar XPO 2426 tabletop vacuum exposure unit. That was a mouthful, but let's get into it. Alright, here is the box for the unit, and hopefully it fits on the table over there. Let me move this oven out the way. Here's a vacuum tube. Alright, there is no such thing as a one-person job for this exposure unit. This thing is huge, it is heavy, so I'm going to try my best because there's nobody around. So I'm going to try and put y'all on the other side over here to see if you can get you a stable position there. Hopefully that's good enough. And we're going to be putting it on that table right there. Alright, let's get to it. I will tell you one thing. Anything you buy from Ranar, the crating job is phenomenal. The way they crate their equipment is on point. I would not suggest doing that on your own, but I used to be a weightlifter. I used to work out with Schwarzenegger because I got the big muscles. No, I'm just playing. I really wasn't, but it's all good. That is it. It wasn't pretty bad. It was heavy because of the crate, but it's not bad. So this is the exposure unit. It pretty much takes up the entire table. At least almost a little over half the table. So let me see if I can look this way. This is the Ranar XPO 2426 exposure unit. It's got the digital time, has the power, and the light and vacuum switches. You can do it on manual or auto. We'll show you how all that works. It's got a regular 110 outlet, which I would put on a dedicated, if anything. Let's see if I can, oops. I have it out of the crate and I put it on the table. It wasn't as heavy as I thought it was going to be, but I do suggest to have at least 2 people, put it where you need to go. And there is really no assembly. I'll put you down. The only really assembly that's needed is to do that tube that's right there. Just put it in on one side, and then I would flex the tube since it's new and it probably hasn't been bent or worked in a little bit. Hopefully you can that's pretty much it. You can, let's see if I can get you more on this side. It's just a basic exposure unit. You have your latch, you have your gas shock. I assume that's a gas shock, and you just have your tube here to make sure you get all the air out. And that's pretty much it. This is the Ranar XPO 2426 exposure unit. I will go over all the stuff later, but this is the one with the digital time. It's just the button to activate it, your power button, and your two switches to go manual or auto for your light and vacuum. And that is it. There's not much more to go into that, but taking out the box, put it in where you need to go, and attach in the vacuum tube and plug it in. Plug it in. It's a 110 outlet. There's no special huge outlet to need an electrician. I would put it on as dedicated if you have a lot of stuff on that outlet, or if you just don't know how many things run through certain outlets. Because I know I have an outlet that is wired funny, and yeah, so I would get it dedicated. But if you find that you can use a regular outlet and nothing trips as far as your breakers, then you should be good to go. And that is it. I'm going to go ahead and cut it short. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe if you did like the video. It'll help out a lot. And ding the little bell so you know you get notifications when I upload new videos. And that's pretty much it. Leave a comment if you have any comments, especially with dye sublimation. We'll be doing some dye sublimation. I've been doing that for 6 going on 7 years now, so we do that on the regular. So if you have any of those questions, bring them on. Maybe I can do some tutorials and how-tos, or if you have problems with sublimation, I can definitely try and do some videos for that to help you with those questions. Or if you want to get into it, let me know. Ask me. I can help you on what to get. And yeah, so that's it for this one. Peace out, and we'll see you next time. And hope you're having a good day printing. Peace.